Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in this video, I just basically want to give you guys an important tip that may or may not help you lose some subscribers in 2020. So a while back I did a video about a drone that I got for Propel, which was a total disaster. By the way, a link to that video will be in the description of this video. But back to the point of this one tip I want to share with you guys that hopefully helps you guys out, saving yourself from any possible embarrassment on YouTube and just making yourself look like a fool if you accidentally make this mistake. It's funny, but it's not funny, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. So in that video, about in the middle of the video, I had to do a cut. And the reason why I had to do a cut, I want to show it to you guys, but if you guys want to see it, I'll post a new video and I'll show you part of the clip, but I'd rather not show it because I'm really embarrassed. But when I did the video, halfway through it, I had went through and I wiped my nose. And when I wiped my nose, you can actually see something with the bright light that I had in my basement. And I want to give you guys a tip that after you edit your video, I do this all the time after I edit my video, every single time. After I export it, I go back and I watch it, on the big screen TV, or I'll just watch it on my monitor just to see if I notice any mistakes. I'm very thankful that I caught that mistake and I saved myself from the embarrassment. I almost uploaded that video. Not that many people saw the video. It's probably got like maybe 4 or 5 views on it, not a lot, but basically, if the video would have went viral, or if every single one of my subscribers would have watched it, I probably would have started losing people quickly. By the way, guys, please consider hitting the subscribe button. If you'd like to be notified on any upcoming videos, please hit the bell button to be notified. So basically, back to the point, after you edit your videos, I highly recommend that you watch your video before you upload it. In Adobe Premiere Pro CC, which I use, you have that little screen and then you really can't see that much on that small screen. So like I said, watch on your big screen TV, watch it in media player, blow it up on your screen, look at your face, make sure everything's good before you hit that upload button, guys, because I saved myself. Like I said, a huge error would have been uploaded to YouTube, and if it would have went through that platform, it went through the whole algorithm process, I would have been so embarrassed if people were dropping comments that actually noticed that on my face. It would have been so embarrassing, guys. Well, that's all I have for this video, guys. This was short but sweet. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully this gives you guys some tips before you hit that upload button. Make sure you watch your video again. As always, guys, later.